Fellow people of the United Nations Trust Territory of the British Southern Cameroons. Today I come for now with my protection against coronavirus because I think I want to bring awareness for coronavirus for our country, for Ambazonia. I want to salute all now. And if you not be aware, Facebook that open that increase the attack against Ambazonia, their activists them for suppress our view. So this one a new address, a new platform, a new page. This is what they use them now. I don't even know whether they give the signal them for people they when are they online or not. But I'll try for take some moment for checking with the other Facebook for see whether I be online, whether people if you see me there or not. So now just give me some few seconds. Anyway, all man be welcome today for house. I don't know any place you watch me, you be welcome. Okay, I think it be okay. I don't get signal say it be okay. So if you go straight with our presentation for today. Okay, there we go. Okay. That increase the attack. Okay, so yeah, so our country people them, fellow Southern Cameroonians, who are welcome for the No Connie Talk Show. Also na see at the wear mask today for just demonstrate for na say some sick day for us where they call na coronavirus. No be the corona, the beer where they drink them. I don't know who they give name them for this sick them. But for call take name for beer, call them for for sick, strong sick like this one, easy. So now all na be welcome. I try to look for my screen to see whether the software can be okay because wouldn't be suppressed during this period by Facebook, not be only me but all other activism as well. Even Barata News, the official page, it be down. Mr. Tapang Ivor, my two major pages and be closed, and the third one will open them, then close them without giving me the chance even for review the decision as they always do them. So all na be welcome. Na me una spokesperson. Capo Daniel for all na country people then for Ground Zero. Na me this again today for this new episode. We'll get a lot of things. We'll get new videos and for ADF they attack them for ground. So one the way they don't use explosive device, we will show now one the way nobody be released. I will show now and then we'll get also big news from the diplomatic side as well as we enter for this day, number 3 day for the lockdown and ghost town. So all na come find and welcome all na for this platform once more. My country people them now the No Connie Talk Show. Now an advocacy platform where they advocate for things that may make the Ambazonian revolution may run smoothly. We also push for strong positions them and we believe in civil liberty. For saying that the first line for defense for our struggle against infiltration and against undermining of our struggle by La République du Cameroon. So once more, all na be welcome. And the one a new platform so now I'll ask you for favor for help me for share so that all our followers and our fellow compatriots they fit join and watch me even later on, but even more so for get a more interactive presentation. So as usual, we will start by excuse me, my take mambo. We will start as usual for play our national anthem and then we will take time, we will play some song, we will use them for welcome all man and then we will launch our presentation directly. And we believe, we know the word itself say plenty people they know if you join me because a new platform. But we believe in the quality, not just the quantity, and we believe say we'll get the most smartest Ambazonians them and our influence now it matter for the struggle. So we'll be happy for any man we take time for join with today. We'll get a lot for present and for una. But we want to invite una especially today for help for share the link so that make all man if he know say we dey here with the advocate for our struggle and then the fit join we for watch them. So all una come good. How do you mean but how do you mean but strong today so? Oh na come good. We will go straight for our presentation. We'll get a lot of things that we'll present for una today. I will give una a rundown for the program so that me all man is sabi way to way we go the presenter for una. But first, as with our tradition, we will first sing our national anthem. And this time we need to just sing national anthem thanks to technology. If we go for Ground Zero, we'll join our people them together and we go sing some song or remember the time I say our people they be rise for give we this mandate. Say maybe we'll take this revolution for independence. So they be give we that mandate on the 22nd of September and on the 1st of October. When I remember, say this revolution, it be start now with the civil society, them with the consortium. Now it done been a palaver for independence and outright independence and separation from La République du Cameroon. So they always take that time for remember that period when I give we this mandate for stand for speak for the voiceless, where they for ground zero, where they no fit talk due to the fear of their life from La République du Cameroon. So, ladies and gentlemen, without much ado, we will go right directly for ground zero, and I get one our song for national anthem where I want play me will use that song today for salute our national flag and for remember say now the reason this will fight for this revolution now for fight for our people them. So me will join the people them for ground zero for sing our national anthem, and then after that we will go straight for play one song where I will take and for salute all man way there for house that time. So any man way don't join me, you know what, I will salute you. So first we will sing our national anthem. I will change the background. We will join our people at the ground zero. Glory to glory, yeah, we make some glory, glory, glory to the God of forevermore. Ambazunia, you shall live plenty in our day, and your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God be the watchman of the nation. Ambazunia, land of freedom, you shall live plenty on it. Yes, my country people them at ground zero that I said the people that rise up, talk to the one nothing but independence. Make una not ever forget that one. No matter how the enemy they try to twist things them, make una always remember that image. Say all people for ground zero, the 99% of them they want na independence and nothing but the independence, and they be already prove them, and they continuously for prove them every day when they shoot down for house for Ghost Town. When an independent day proof the one stand say me will go for Ghost Town. So now time for me for salute all now for the No Conny Talk show. I dey call all now my audience and I dey Kunta Kintes them because when I reject the colonial name of West Cameroon, when I reject the colonial name of Northwest and Southwest, so now why that they call now say una be the Kunta Kintes. So I welcome all now for us. I salute you, Madam Brunhilda. I throw you salute. Teofil as Troy salute, Grandma Sally I salute you, Chair Marcel I salute una. Make I give una some one good song. Make una join, and I will take this time for we for remember those of our troops and we the Sako cartel they be instigate the Bui warriors and for arrest them. So we will join them for this song. Ma play the song. Make all we will join them. Why would we welcome all man for us? We remember this our boys and for our prayer and our heart. Their families and be very worried, and we know we left. The Bui warrior, the media understand, say the need for account for all those people the way they be catch them. For instance, so no one our put them with catch them and we still demand for their release. So all man be welcome. Ashu Basil, you're welcome. Grandma Sally, you're welcome. All na be welcome. Michelle Passenger, welcome. Welcome for boy. Welcome. I salute all man give them. I salute all tiny them. I salute all na for inside Miselele, for Tico. I salute na for Moyojo. I throw na salute for Paco, for Manu. Le Bialem. I throw na salute for all of that side. Ikata, so throw na salute people for Ekok. I salute na. Clap. Welcome for house. Welcome. And see Amber Bui, you be welcome to. All man be welcome. If you join me for your first time, you be highly welcome. And I will salute our troops of Ground Zero. Congratulations for the great job. Our people that rise up will fall no more. We will tell now more details So now be welcome. Yes, Tufi, be welcome. So they ask the Bowie Warriors them for release Agama, to release all the troops where they get in their keepings as soon as possible. Doti that Doti, welcome. All man be welcome. Salute people for Victoria. Salute them for Victoria. We salute all our great patriots them. For Bakwiri, we salute people for Bakwiri. We salute the one for Bangwa. We salute the one for Fontem. We pray salute for now. All we contribute for them. All funds, we salute Una. And I salute B. B Lydia, welcome for us. Yuriki, welcome. Mikinja, welcome. Captain Dawson, welcome. I salute the people there for China, for the great Republic of China, our people there for Wuhan, and the great people for the community for Amik, the strongest group of China. I put my mask. Now say all we for Hong Kong today. For sure, now the awareness for coronavirus, so I put on my mask for bring the issue for coronavirus, also for highlight una the difficulties away there. Coronavirus, as una know, a lot of worries and day for our Ambazonia them about me. I don't get a lot of inquiry. People the way they send me message, Capo Dani, I hope so you dey fine. Yes, I dey fine. I never come out outside for 2 weeks. I dey just come out, go come back with my I know they left my picking and me then come out because of coronavirus. So people they check say coronavirus na new thing, but I want to tell una say plenty bacteria and viruses then they way people they never sabi because say it's still there for inside animal them. Bacteria then too they the wise so they try for survive. So they ever try for look for new way for enter for inside human being then like host. So one time them bacteria they come out for animal, it enter for human people them start becoming kiki people. So we done first experience and for SARS for the year 2006 when I be doing here around 3 years. It will be a very tough time for the economy for Hong Kong and China and the world. But they be handled and fine, so we don't learn our lesson. Everybody for Hong Kong be good. We'll never get any case for local case for here except one. All the case the way they fear now one the way they catch them for border where they struggle for enter for Hong Kong. So we don't close our border with China. There is no movement between Hong Kong and China. If you come for here, they will put you for inside. They'll put you for isolation for over 14 days. So for people then for Ambazonia, the only cure for coronavirus, no be ginger, no be garlic, no be honey, le have people they talk. Now protection. If it catch you, now only United Nations go feel help you because there is no cure for coronavirus. They just manage and for build their immune system. Some people they cure by themselves. They never yet find out any vaccine. They feel say according to the United Nations. Their research at the way they did with China, then talk say within 6 months, but by 6 months the thing go down because it follow na climate. Now during winter time when place is cool, where the virus is plenty. So they advise any man where did with China for Wuhan make no travel, go back for Ambazonia. But me stay for day, it could get the best treatment. And if in case it come for inside Ambazonia, it no go spread like how it is spread for one man their country. Because for ground zero, we need the overall rub skin. The only place where people they rub skin na inside taxi. One taxi if you carry like how many people for one day? Maybe 100 people, maybe 200 people. So people they need to overcome into contact. You go for market, you know go overcome into contact with plenty people there. As I love you, Roka, I don't see you. Mba Peter, una welcome. So you know go over spread if you go step for ground zero because we need to over touch people. But when I imagine for here for Hong Kong, na a metropolitan city, one carriage for inside one metro, it transport close to 1 million people them a day. So now see say within a small space, plenty people they pass per day. So if you sneeze, it is free spread for plenty people. Then a wider way the risk then be high for white man their country. But nevertheless, now a very strong sick. Me all money take care for ground zero, but there is no risk. There is no need for anybody to be panicking in ground zero because the probability say if it spread for Africa, it be very very low. If una the see now only one Africa don't catch that sick, but nobody do anything for you. The boys they strong. I don't talk for you personally. He dey fine and he go recover. So me man no worry so much about coronavirus. So ladies and gentlemen, I don't welcome you again once more for another episode for the No Connie Talks Zone. We want to congratulate Ambazonia for the big victory. I hope so all na see how goes down a day, how we work together with lockdown. All we be so proud of ourselves for the great job for help, for raise awareness for our people them. and for see how our people then too they respond for the leadership, then for the revolution, for all man for shidong for hearts for deny for participate for this election. Now a great victory. I want for knock our chest and for congratulate all man and for to salute and for say thank you for all ground zero. Thank you for all the Ambazonian forces. We don't see how the Ambazonian forces them. They don't come outside for enforce the law for the people them. Now the job for any military people for stand behind the popular will. So we'll be very happy. The results are so good. Today I don't call one of those diplomats them for Yaoundé way. They always talk for me in a first way. It always be very open for talk for me. I call it today. I ask he say wait to be their observation. He talks say for ye personally. The observation I say Ambazonia then be in control of the so-called northwest and southwest because I said they use the diplomatic language for column. It talks say will be in control of that. The international community they recognize that as well. So now a matter of how to go forward. Now a very big milestone. The boycott was complete. It was visible. I go take time to work from Ambazonia from one place to another for highlight and for now. As we don't come forgive una this our platform. When I know I am a citizen volunteer like many other activists them, young people that for my age will then stand up for talk say the thing where they happen for our country, you know, correct. We no feel level, we no feel talk say, you know, include we then stand up for fill the gap, for speak on behalf of our people, and for make sure say me will try me the war, he hear their plight, and for make sure say me will effectuate the independence where our people they want them. Now the only reason that we will for here to do it, we will do no be for fame, no be for fun. It is not just for joke. It is something very serious. The life and the future of 8 million people are at stake. So what will do? We take them very, very serious. Namanto will take them a complete volunteer work where you no get salary. Our only salary and our only joy na say me go for Boya, me go get our freedom. After that time, my Montreal na say me gonna take Boya, una give me Bamenda. When I don't let me go for the country where it be free, I will be very happy for go for my village, go tap my palm wine. I'll be very happy and be very contented. I'm a very contented man. So we'll go take time today for introduce, for show now the good job way all we would do and collectively for stand like one man, for show the world so we don't reject political participation with the Republic. It get plenty ramification them. I will try to highlight some as much as possible. But today, we don't see even thing the nobody does nobody even settle. One of those people then for inside ground zero for Bafut Day. 1 minute. So now sorry now my pikin can disturb me. We go start today for first start for send out a strong warning. Not be safe say nothing will be want for do am, but nothing will be obliged for do am. We want send a strong warning for tell all the people the way them participate and facilitate this election. The few people them. Me they understand say we no go forget, we go keep to our word, we go follow them up one by one. Make sure say as we dey for diaspora we no fit go for ground zero. Make sure say as our people them IDP then dey for forest they no fit go back for their house. Make sure say as our refugee then dey for Nigeria they no fit go back for inside ground zero. For make sure say those of our people wey then dey for inside Yaoundé Douala but for somewhere they no fit enter ground zero. All these enablers them where they don't participate for this election. The Ambazonian forces them on the ground. They go make sure say even inside Yaoundé una no go get any rest. They go track una down, they go arrest una and bring una can answer for the Ambazonian people them. For betray them, for go and stand together with the colonizer, for give La République du Cameroon another justification, a semblance of legitimacy, for continue for marginalize our people, for exploit our people and for keep we under subjugation. It no be acceptable, it be morally wrong for any person to engage in that activity. And we go make sure so we go follow now. One of the people then we will go first start with them today, now Prince Bonifor. Prince Bonifor for Bafut. He already announced and said he already win election for Bafut. We say election for Bafut be there? No election not be there for Bafut. He already we got declare election. He be wanted. Any Ambazonian forces when una see una arrest immediately interrogate about this crime we done do against our people. So we go begin bring them off here as they go read the election. We go make sure so we go bring all of them. Can show them meet and see wait till it happen. Me una actually see for inside Boya now wait till this way happen. La République du Cameroon then give authorization. Say me all their na 910 forces the way them bring them deploy them for inside Boya. They don't give them the right for go vote. So most of those votes them for inside Boya, you will get more of the vote will go be na military people themselves, it no go even be na civilians. So now they prove this, when I see na later this way then sign up for authorize their troops them where they run deploy for inside Amazonia, make them vote. So over 910 troops the way they be bring them inside Boya according to this their government document. Those troops they go vote for the CPDM definitely, and it go be na a fraudulent election where you no get no credibility. We also see so one same news for Freestaku. Freestaku wey dan begin waka run for inside Amazonia. Man wey dey on exile for Yaoundé. You don hear say election now come, you wan come up run for can carry position, begin chop money on behalf of una village people wey dey for inside village. They ran die, then dey for forest, they no fit come back for their house. Freestaku na one of the people the way Amazonia forces them be mandated for arrest on site. Any place una see, una arrest, una take it go for camp, make she don for dey until the war go can finish. So na say go dey. Ubeduran see say for even inside Victoria, the Victoria way it be the show more strong head because La Republic be that infiltrate Victoria, pack am with the civilians. Or see say for town for Victoria una see am. All man is down for house, no man in no come out for go vote. The election boycott will be 100% successful. Una be see am on our own eye. Na Victoria that for morning time for Sunday. For election day, no man in no go participate. La République du Cameroon, they can be rejected. The mandate for rule and govern have been rejected from Boya and all across the 13 states of Amazonia. They are rejected. Even for Bamenda, the land of the brave. Now images and this way they come for Bamenda. When I see all man is done for outside for house, no man no go participate. The only small place where people then go vote for them now for inside gendarmerie, there comes them where they can be protect them and no be Amazonia them. Now La République du Cameroon, their civilians them, their police them and their army the way they go vote for the population that reject the election 100%. So we don't see image for Bamenda as well. Even for Bali, the one na for Bali, these na images na voting station this way be there for Bali. It be closed, it not even be open. So no person no vote for Bali. The election was 100% for rejection of a mandate to govern. So when I see I'm fine na Bali that, when I see Bali, people ready know Bali, they will recognize the building. Now for the airway voting is supposed to take place inside Bali. See, no man in no come out for outside for camp because our people they are hit for the call for complete rejection. Not be only boycott, rejection of any form of participation in politics with La République du Cameroon. Our people they are rejected on a very big victory right for inside Kumba. For Kumba una see, then gather all in one. Then gather all electoral vote them, all their box and can put them for inside one place of Kumba. Because if vote no be fit take place for inside the general public. And they no be make any announcement. So any normal man go no say, how una go do no people that go do no say they will come vote. So that election, it no be an election for people them for Amazonia, it will be an election for enablers. Now whether you see for inside Kumba, then gather all their box and go keep them for one day, for one place, me that the military people then can vote for pretend. So we don't talk say any man where you go carry that name say be a representative, whether a parliamentarian or a senator, it go be banned completely for enter Amazonian soil until the war will finish, until we will come back for that country, until our refugee they go return, until Seseko they go be released. Any man where go come out say be a parliament, so-called parliamentarian, they no go and catch it. Right? Even for Guzang, na Guzang this. Guzang it be empty. No man you know come out for outside. All man is shut down for house because the people then observe 100% boycott. Across our national territory, Amazonia would around win. Would win very fatly. I be so happy for the feedback we would hear from the journalists and where they for inside Amazonia, including international press. When I see even for Guzang, her place and dry. I go even play international report about this one. Make when I hear completely. As I make the post today for my Facebook page, the diplomatic call them for Yaoundé, their discussion them, private discussion, they talk say Amazonia them be in control. Say the revolution be in control. No be only say the people them be the fear for come out as La République du Cameroon one spin am. Say the people they be the fear and fear for come out, but the people they be actually observe complete boycott of the election because even place where La République they be put their soldiers and they be come out the pretense they want give protection. The people they not be here from their talk because if to say La République they be control the territory, the army come out, it can't talk to people they say me they go come for they can vote, they will give them security the people that will come. But the people that be deny for sure say they obey na the revolution. Now the revolution where they demand for independence, it be talking me them boycott for instance Amazonia. Then spin up travel talk say na Maurice come to be talk say me them boycott, but we know say na the people them for the revolution. Now the leaders them, now they be put out the word. Now the consensus will be they say me no man participate in line with our movement for independence. I will take this time to play the international report about what will happen. We're gonna watch footages from Al Jazeera for see their report about them. It go also talk it go also recognize say Ambazonia them be in control. So make I bring the video. We're gonna watch Al Jazeera. I will put the video from my back here so that all man go feel watch them and una go feel hear the report very fine. So now the vote, it talk about Ambazonia, the election. So because the volume be very poor, I go down only for the place where you talk about the control, how Ambazonia then be in control of their territory una year. So I go bring them back for the place more una year, how they will talk. Una year say now the separatists then be in charge. Una year again once more. Una year I will rewind them again number 3 times una year.
The people living in the English-speaking regions, it's the armed groups and security forces, not elected officials, that are in charge.
Yes. So even Al Jazeera it confirm say now the separatists them, the so-called separatists them, because say they call we say now we be in charge. Una know say La Republic it don't try to spin the narrative. Me they know they identify we exactly for way to define them, but for put we inside some cartoon like so be na people they fight for create a new country, but we fight now for exit from the country. Now one of those technicality then that way they use as an excuse because as we know very well legally speaking our country in Southern Cameroon, but we get the right for call them the name we want them, but because the name we want them you no get any reference point for international law, they pretend like they no sabi, so they want spin and like so they create a new country. But would ask for the exit of the Southern Cameroon because the vote for United Nations it be been for Southern Cameroon for join La Republic, you know be been at the word Ambazonia. So they pretend like they don't know. They use Connie, but one talk say Southern Cameroon exit. Southern Cameroon must come out for that union. Now the wish of the people them. So we go take una now, we go for all the military, one salute all the Ambazonia military them. They no be fair we. The lockdown it be start with what on the 5th a day before even the lockdown was start, we will see how the ADF they be launch attack. We'll also see how other forces them for the restoration forces. When I not say I don't like that name restoration forces because it a covert name also for even people they fight for restore West Cameroon them too. So I call them a pro-independent forces. We will see how the pro-independent forces them they be that launch attack them or we will show now that attack them very very well. We will start with a video where we never see them yet. Now the bomb where the ADF them for inside Bui, then led by a team by General Kapura. Kapura launched an attack with the forces them for inside them bomb La Republic du Cameroon their position for the way they come the struggle to stop them. They no be completely stop baby. Say the powerful message we stop the La Republic their election. It may not be the way people that for free come. So now AD some are behind. And the attack the way they begin for inside Bui. The ADF attack with an explosive device. So the attack will be very successful. They be wound. They don't get report for any wound for any. So now the attack that way the ADF soldier they be launched and for inside Bui, it knocked out one of La Republic du Cameroon their armored car. We believe say na the same armored car where La Republic they ran share the video, the picture where they show blood for inside the armored car. They also attack them with guns with a lot of bullets, and they saw the convoy be successfully go through, but not be all be go through. When I see the video now, the video this for the inside the for Bui. I think when I see the video where the woman they show them how the attack be passed now the bullets and that way they can see them for that place. But the ADF they be do a great job. One salute General Kapura and all the ADF forces the way they for Bui. We also hear say the population for Bui they be get a protest for ADF camps because ADF forces them since the incident with General Chacha. They nobody come out camp for road again, so the population they can't protest. Say they want me ADF soldier then come. I go release those video them and the pictures them after I don't get clearance. The general population they don't come. They ask a lot of questions. I don't see the video them. The ADF general for they explain for the population that because of the debate where they go on, many of the people that they get the idea where it happen between the debates. They ask and say wait to be IG, wait to be IG1, wait to be IG2. Very very interesting video them. and the way to be Dr. Ayabacho, way to be ADF, way to be all these things. Then so the year. So we'll be here how the general is struggle for explain them for them, and we'll see say we need to do more job for educate our people, because Chris Ann would already cause havoc for Ground Zero, would die TV channel where they feed people them with fake news, with infiltrated, embedded La Republique du Cameroon news. We need to already explain that for the people them, where to be the difference between the various movement them. A lot of questions them. Very, very challenging question for any lay person for articulate them, but we will try to do our best for fill that gap. So not be only ADF we use bomb. The biggest one we would answer where they with social media. Now the bomb we have where it explode for inside Nabali, no Nabali. If I don't make mistake, make mo na no come can say hey Capo Daniel no talk would answer the first time explosive device had they knock out La Republique du Cameroon their convoy. I wanna notice and say La Republique du Cameroon when they take out this their card, and so they need to talk, they hide them, they need to report them for their news. They don't pretend for their people and say them be stronger than wait them be. But we'll be very happy to see our boys them. They don't capture them for video. Now the more and more proof that they come. So the talk on gonna begin the belief wait what they talk what they talk say they take out the armored cars them. They really knock them out. Like Republic of Cameroon, they suffer huge casualties. Huge casualties. As they refuse that the Kiwi will kill them even more. Because according to UN number them for people they don't die, they keep the number for around 3,000 people they don't kill them. We know say the number they don't go over 20,000, and La Republic, according to the UN number, would also kill La Republic of Cameroon. For 2018, we kill about 1,000. 2019, we kill almost similar number, so close to 2,000. So we don't already show them, we don't wipe out more than 10% of their force. So we win, and we win very, very fatly. So we don't see that bomb will happen for inside the a very, very big victory for we. So we will come up for day. We don't also see the issue for the Marines them. I think so. When I see the video for the Marines, the way down come on a small debate for social media. Some people they talk say tapang abo tang who talk say na ADF. So no be ADF. Talk the go say the one na ADF, no be ADF. So I want to say other one na false debate. We know say this group it is not an ADF group, but we know say they do work with collaboration with the ADF. Some of their troops they will be initially trained by ADF. So maybe tapang abo will make mistake or not. But every time we get victory, the enemy they try to divert our attention, forget fake debate the way they take away the glory for our people them. The time will be taken for congratulate our boy them, for congratulate our civilians that will take and begin argue nonsense things them. So this group no be ADF, but all the Ambazonian forces will congratulate every force on the ground the same. We know the fear say hey will congratulate only ADF when the ADF stand fine will congratulate them. But we know say this group they will also be in discussion for join the contender force. And a very powerful group will be very proud of the Marines of Bambalang. Now, a group of Bambalang will also be one congratulate the group with the launch attack on election day as well. General Kapura for Bui, the one for Bengui, the one for Bamenda also they be launched on small attack, but they don't be ready to go in for attack because they've been a strategic plan. Now today we're going to wait for get big operation them as they go to one try for carry those fake ballot box that begin go back. We'd expect so we'll get big attack them. So we want salute General No PT as well. They become from Bambalang, go to right for border with Bali. So we'll be very, very happy for see how all our forces them across the border. Even the one of Tico, the forces the way they will go into action. One salute them will give them 21 gun salute will be all for one will be fighting against one army. So Amba Gorillas them, yes, I don't see their representatives and two they talk for background. Say I call their name now. Amba Gorillas them also. Now a group of the contender force. No be ADF. We no must talk say all man na ADF, but like part of the group of the contender force as well. They don't come with their new gear them, but a lot of people they complain. Who do want use this one also to complain? Say any time we if they need camouflage dresses, we know. So anytime we then Kelebe they take their uniform they wear them, but they need to remove that Cameroon flag for day because that green, red, yellow now a symbol of oppression for we Ambazonia people them. Me no troops no carry on for his skin no matter what it happen. Better carry on through it. So would one take this one forget a specific segment for talk about this issue because we don't see the people the way they not distract them. They don't try to use this palaver for try for this for distract us. We also want to call out our brother and the spokesman of the ADF Taanku Tapang Ivor when the deputy for the defense of the ADF for try for decease for begin use names them like say something like ADF will not be ADF. I think say sometime they may just bring a lot of unnecessary argument them. Tapang Ivor in no way be compromised. Na a strong patriot who support it 100%. Na person way it stand defend Ambazonia all way. In case for America, na case where he spending money for defend them, and that case be very crucial for our independence. He no defend only himself. If he be being a La Republic agent, if a level La Republic du Cameroon win, because if we use that case like a reference point for go after Ambazonian activists and Ambazonian communities and for the diaspora. We salute the bravery and we salute the work, but we feel say, you know, find me begin call other forces and say na ADF will not be ADF. We no go get bias, we go always be truthful for talk the right thing, and then we go leave am ujomam. Unless na people the way they want get agenda for go after Tapang Ivor for try to destroy it. Unless na people the way they want follow La Republique du Cameroon, their queue for begin go after our leadership. No be any problem. Whether na ADF, no be ADF. The most important thing na say na Ambazonian force wey dey fight for our independence. So we'll use this opportunity for get this special segment regarding the issue the way these forces that are raise them. We know say the force them they don't carry the first name they will use them. Now the guerrillas when a member of the contender force, but the general also present themselves as a marine force of Bambalang. So we go recognize that one as well. Then we go carry ahead. So we see say there is a trend where it be very, very dangerous, and I think we want hit them very hard. Me Ambazonian people they understand. People that they always feel say them be in charge with them for the diaspora. It be wrong. We don't see say plenty of the groups and for Ground Zero way initially because they be done sell them the name say IG. They measure activism too. They be done stand to push this name say IG in a government. Most of them be done defect from the ADF for go join other groups and for county groups or whatsoever. So the whole thing just be a little bit confusing, and I will tell now why it be very important. And I talk with some of my top advisors as well as some top advisors within the AGOVC and the ADF for come give una this presentation. Make una sabi exactly why these small things they matter and how it be important because na a collective struggle. So if I may put an answer me or man me sabi. One of the things we been I say people that they try for be in charge for defense group them for the diaspora it be different. For say you be in charge and for say you be a person where you be a representative for the group. Because with the sister plenty group the way then get person where they for abroad, the person the facing I be in charge of those group them. Sometimes the people that they even take that advantage for begin give order for the troops on the ground, but we need for respect any money rule. So this segment na a segment where I want title na bicycle for inside petrol station. Any money for know a correct place. If you be na bicycle inside petrol station, no say your job for them no be for can't take petrol. Now just you can pass now for pass or now can buy newspaper, buy and begin go. So people that never diaspora where them feel say them be in charge, we group them for Ground Zero. Then feel say na them be the boss. People that need to take permission for them before they talk for their generals them be wrong and they be inside their head. For represent a group, it's not supposed to be a fight for you for get power. It's supposed to be a fight for you for serve those people, those boys them. You be their servant. You be a facilitator for which way they want do. You be their link. So when they want do something, they fit trust you for give those important information them. Because we see say even time we problem the day, people that they fight they want go solve problem. Not because they really want to solve that problem, but now because they don't want get political credit. They don't want get credit. Say yeah, na me I solve the problem. Yeah, na scarf. Yes, na me I solve. Na me. All that na me. Na it is spoil struggle. Any man way they for diaspora, you want send money for hella boy them for talking na your boys them. They talk now for you. They give information about you or you be activists. You go enough for spoil those groups them. When I be see the time where I be there with RK Force, I be like a representative. And I levy me interact with all man, me do the thing the way they want to do, and I make it, na be the boss. Na be in charge. I will come for wait till I want to talk and will be very important. So we try to serve the boys in the Ground Zero. We fight to serve them. We should serve for the sake of serving, not for the sake for them to serve us. So, but we know say many hands that they do light work. If I mean many people then be involved, but that many people then your objective when you contact those group or you try to represent those group is supposed to be now for serve. No people can't take charge. No people can't take control, now for serve them. So this thing I want to come, I want to make this thing very, very brief way any man of you understand them. So the title again, I will repeat them so that I will take them slowly. Me people that understand them very well. The title for this segment now say bicycle for petrol station. Bicycle need for know a place for inside petrol station. I need for know a job for inside petrol station. Just because you do a petrol station, you don't mean I say you go take petrol. There is a difference between force representative, and those who are in the ranks, who are in command of the forces. The generals who create those groups, who is controlling those groups, is supposed to be the person in charge. The person who is there for diaspora is supposed to be a contact person, a liaison person with those forces. You're not supposed to present yourself or try to become a person who will be in charge, in command, in rank of those groups, because nobody will set those groups up. But you get group then like SOCADEF, the ADF, when a whole structure and organization where they don't take initiative. Now they initiate the building of those forces, so then be in command of those forces then. So if you come for diaspora, you see group where they exist, you start support them. Your role now to be a liaison person, a contact person. You're not supposed to start come out, begin start being and say, you say you don't be a CIC also. We'll get a country of 10,000 commander-in-chiefs. And why this one it be very important? Why this segment be very important? What I want to tell you now. Why? Because there is a requirement in humanitarian law. Humanitarian law now laws of war. Say what? Say this requirement and be important because this requirement it be important for stakeholders them for be where them be interested for intervene. Because ultimately when the fighting they go on, would they call the UN, would they call BB company the way they feel hella way for support and for bring in big money for support our defense. Not be just one end for those bikini supply for ground zero. No. We do diplomacy for also get big donors them. BB company where they feel believe so if we win. And then for camp can support we. We'll get country the world they try to attract them. May they intervene militarily, including the UN, including the United States. And we need to meet up with some basic international requirement where if we allow them for camp for can enter for hella we and for them for can defend our country. When I remember say, no naturally, no country no go feel one for send a army them. Me they can help a people them way them be so divided. A country where they get 1,000 cartels. Nobody no go send a country for can help. No country. Even the United Nations. No woman no go want send a pikin send me go for some country where you get plenty. Place you just imagine if you be a foreigner, you want go for a country where you get plenty group the way all them big different boss them. You no go like it, you no go feel safe. You no go feel safe. So there is a basic requirement for our structure for ground zero where people they need to be very aware. Where if we attract intervention, if we attract recognition. And this they also affect why would it make noise me, you and the hella we, me this country hella we, and the disciple become silence. Because the rule na say waiting for international humanitarian law. The rule na say any man where carry gun or any group where carry gun during a period where it be classified as war must have a handler who will assume responsibility of their action. Every armed group must be organized within a framework of an organization that has a political objective. So the political platform must assume responsibility of the action of that group of persons who carry guns during a period of war, including a say in the recruitment, including their training, and including monitoring the group to make sure that they adhere to certain standard of conduct. So this one is an international standard where if we not meet up them, the international community no go recognize our forces them for ground zero like state partners or people that they represent the territory. They go there recognize them like groups fighters, separatist fighters without identifying them properly. And this one is one of the reasons we don't understand say the international community it delay for recognize our forces for ground zero or respect why they fight, because most of them not get a clear organization where they don't take responsibility for their action and where they fight under their umbrella. Like the ADF for ground zero, it get a military wing of the Hague of Sea. So there must be a competent organization that assumes responsibility of every armed group in the world. It not just means any organization, but a competent organization. Like the Hague of Sea or the interim government, it have lawyers, it have multiple people that consult each other, that know the gravity of the use of weapons because na a very serious thing for international law. They no fit recognize any man wey carry gun. If dem see say we be so divided, it go affect their ability for intervene. It go affect their ability for help we. So we also, Ambazonia, our current posture, na part of the problem for our recognition and the narrative about Ambazonia. We be part of the problem. Now the difficulties in this world we get from feedback from the international community. So any man no go do come say you don't go create your own small group. Na your own group, na the group, na the for diaspora. Like how the rank can divide we for county by county. Every county group we na a political structure or organ where they control that particular group them, and those groups they want feel comfortable for day. But at the end, it divide we, it undermine our ability to project a nationalism spirit where the international community and stakeholder them feel say now a struggle this will be what for them for hell we. Now why that will be important? Say we unite all the force for ground zero. If all man they for your own side will get the 13 country, will get 13 different groups them, it not gonna be attractive for anybody for help we, even for the UN or American government. If American government, for example, imagine if we tell they say me they can intervene. America say I go send my troops to Bamenda. Mezam group talk say hey now we can't talk with we. The group for Mindankwe talk say can't talk with we. The one for the one can talk say can't talk with we. It not gonna be attractive for them. Now why that way they talk say all group them they need to come together. All these group them you get the Tigers, the Momo Marine, the all these different groups where you see them. You get General Ayeke. You cannot fight alone. You cannot fight alone. All those groups you cannot fight alone. So the interim government also, it need to get a person in charge. It need to announce a person in charge and say this is our own person who is taking responsibility of the forces who are on ground zero. That's why I always advise people pay all your money to the ADF and let them distribute it. Or any group that you want to support, push those groups to align itself with groups that have political backing. Otherwise, it is undermining the struggle. Otherwise, it will undermine the struggle. So, we need to identify the groups. We need to identify the groups. You know, if you get random groups communicating with the international community, random groups communicating with the international community will simply ignore, will only make them to ignore us, and will only make them to use it as a reason to be silenced. For example, if the leadership is talking to one community, one body in the international community, after another person send later, another person send later, another person is calling them, another person is calling them, projecting themselves as though they are leaders, not properly identifying themselves, but trying to project themselves as leaders, is just going to give those people opportunity to ignore us. So it is not good that we have so many people doing diplomacy. It is not good. You must consult with the main leaders for you to be able to, for them to send you and give you backing. And every group on ground zero, I'll be doing a series of messages in my podcast. Every group on ground zero, do not listen to people who say that group do not matter. Groups do not fine. So we don't want any group. We just want to fight like that. No. If you fight like that, you cannot win. Groups are very important. It's very important that people who are using guns should be identified and should have a political win that they have cling onto. That's why it is not right when you see activists, they come together that let us come, we activists, we come together, we take charge. We come together, we form group, we collect money, and then we give to the boys, they go and fight. If we fight like that, we can fight for 20 years, nobody will recognize us. For us to be recognized, we have to make sure we do things according to international recognized standard. We must do things like that. The international system cannot meet and talk with identified leaders, then suddenly they are bombarded by people posing as in similar capacity. It will not be ethical. They will just ignore us completely. We cannot have people who don't have portfolios doing diplomacy and contacting people in the Americas. You must have a portfolio. If you have a group in your village that you are supporting, or you are mentoring them, or you are being a liaison person, hook them up. Don't hold on to that power. You can hold on to it, it will not help you. If you are an activist, groups are loyal to you because they listen to you. lead them to join and align themselves with the nationalist forces for the sake of the revolution. For the sake of the revolution. What will it benefit you if all those groups are coming to you, everybody is coming to you, and then we lose the war? What will it benefit you? So force must ask themselves this question: which of the political platform are they hanging on to? Which of the political platform are they hanging on to? I know say this thing them nothing where the ball because Ambazonian people they don't like sense, but the one that they know Connie talk show. Now talk for sense people, them now talk for make a me pushing them go forward, not be just talk for can clap hand. So you see groups like the ASC, how they the one call for back say me will bring unity. The ASC, for example, now, is it the ASC is working for Sako or working for Yerima? They have not said. How can you know? Because there have not been any public announcement. What about the DOD? The DOD that was dissolved by the SCS ASC, or was it the one that exists as the ASC? Which one is what? Who was the spokesperson? The time Sofoncha left, he was speaking on who? Sofoncha now have turned his back. Before he came out and he was saying that they have appointed him as the spokesperson of the interim government, speaking on the ASC. Now he has come out of it as asking for confederation. So it's not clear. There's no clear-cut line, and you have to be certain because you're talking about institutional recognition, a recognized institution to take over a country. We must make it attractive. We must make it attractive. That's why I see the steady hand of the AGOVC, and it's attractive to me. It's attractive to me. It's very, very attractive. They have a spokesperson, they have a chain of command, they have a defense chair, they have a commander-in-chief, they have a military wing, they have a civil wing. Clear cut. Every group have to be like that. Every group. People who know how things work in La République du Cameroon, they are doing their best to make sure that they have their boys and their infiltrators in our struggle to make us align ourselves. Information that does not work. Information that will not be accepted by the international community. And we have accepted all these things long enough. For 3 years, it is time for us to mature and come together and see how we can go forward. The proper way to go forward, not the proper way that will make somebody feel happy, but the right way for us to go forward. So, initiators, people who have initiative, initiators of unity. You remember when I came up with Lucas Asu, we decided to bring the groups, the struggle together. We had this good initiative, but we did not go and organize the Canada events. We come together, we said, let us approach the communities in Canada and tell the communities to engage the nationalist movement so that they can come, they can take over the meeting, they can hold their meeting. People, the way they get initiative, they need to facilitate the leadership for come together. They don't need to try for do business na them na me. Because we see say any man go form my own chat group. Tomorrow they want transform the chat group into a movement, an organization. Tomorrow they say they want be two na leaders. Tomorrow they say they two want do this one. So all these things are very important. You cannot say that you want to be apolitical. Some people they say they don't want politics. You want to be apolitical. In a political movement, a revolution is a political movement. So you have all these people injecting things that sounds good in the normal mind, the normal ear, but the end is disaster for the revolution. Our people have to know how to distinguish this thing and how to reject them. We need groups. We need our groups to come together. There is nothing like let us come together, only defense forces. Let the forces just be fighting like that without any political backing. It does not work like that. Every military force on ground zero should have a political wing that represents it, that works, that oversees it, that monitors it, that assumes responsibility of its action in front of the international community. Otherwise, they will not treat us like representing a state. We need to meet up with those basic requirements. So, that is a whole primordial idea of our revolution. Is for recognition. So, our posture, our activities have to be geared towards this principle to be able to be recognized. Are we, first of all, behaving in a way that we can be recognized as a state party before we think that they could recognize us? We are asking people to recognize us. We are asking the UN to intervene. Have we created an enabling environment where the UN can step in? Have we created an enabling environment where the Americans can step in, or where the British people can step in, or they can even call for intervention? These are critical questions we need to answer and we need to evaluate. Because as the election is running up in La République du Cameroon, the international community will be pushing for facts-finding mission or result from their agents who have analyzed, who have been visiting sites in Amazonia. When those reports will come, when the time where they will decide what to do, their decision will be affected by our readiness. So all groups, align yourself with the interim government and the AGOVC. All ground forces, either you are with Ayabacho or you are with Yerima or Seseko. You must align yourself. So I call on any man where is there for diaspora, say na get group, na be the liaison person. Align yourself with Yerima or the AGOVC. I will be in support of Ayabacho because he is the most effective person in terms of defense. I will advocate that all groups should come under the ADF, not under. They should align themselves with the ADF and collaborate with them so that they will have the political cover of the governing council, which is the best. They have the OMPO, they have the law firm that is advising them and helping them. I think they are just the best. With the interim government now, it is also a very good structure, but I don't see them as vibrant and competent as the governing council. I don't see it. In terms of defense, you look at the structure of the defense, there is no point person who can assume responsibility to even attract those generals who want to be with them. And we have all these loose groups in Ground Zero who does not reflect well on the struggle. So it be important to me all groups for Ground Zero align itself with the political movement. More than not listen for people that can say, hey, we no want politics, we want to be apolitical, hey, we no want groups. All those people that work for La République or they be influenced by people that work for La République. We're gonna be very sure for that one. So we go move for that one. We go go now for Maurice Kamto. We ran here say Maurice Kamto, he ran come for Canada, so he ran come for America. Serious thing that they go, my country people. Talk it for us. Plenty talk. Now video this, we ran see. This video how Maurice Kamto, he come for Canada. Some ambassadors then come for day. Say na Chris Anu, he don't send them. Una wait my play am. Me gonna say una take una ear. Una hear. I will play am. I will put the video for my back day. So that mean all una hear which way the past day. Una hear.
I understand that Maurice Kamto don't want to say this. Okay? When we made the arrangement to come here, it was on the agreement that I will arrive like this.
Una the hear? So they be that make arrangement for go meet up Maurice Kamto. I go tell una the ramification them as time they go. But first, make I tell una the whole issue about Maurice Kamto. You go be very surprised for una for yes say even though Maurice Kamto he not been the president for La République du Cameroon, but he play a prominent part for their diplomatic move, both for America and you see the engaged country them for solve the problem them. Now but tell una wait to be done tell una for over 1 year or 2 years ago, say Maurice Kamto now the choice for the French government and the Switzerland government for putting me be the replacement for Mr. Paul Biya, he and Akere Muna. Now the people then that way they go replace Mr. Paul Biya. Would I also see say if we can start and say independence and Amazonia go be na only over a dead body. Either evolve from that one, can start begin the tongue and say it go stand for any position, but nothing way if he separate Cameroon, he will never take part in anything that will separate Cameroon. From there, Ilan come now for the Kini talk say it go do a 2-state federation as its beginning, then they go move on for 10-state federation with the French side dividing itself into 8 or into 9, whatever it may be. So let's see how it evolve. And it evolve not be because they want time, but not because Amazonia they win. I wanna know one thing. Paul Biya and the country go give we something only if them feel say if we get the other highest, if we get something more than that one. They no go ever give you anything free. Now because with the see say how would we win any attempt where they don't bring why don't bring Sako with this HD, you know work, he change the position, they give more concession. Now the position that for France it change small. Now they even try for even bribe people them. When I say that bribe success Congo and Nambere, now so it shows so we win. Amazonia will go win this war, we go attain our independence. Now even that Switzerland talk where they talk, they not feel want me to go for Switzerland again because we already win the system where they be bringing for the HD. Now that the Swiss government they don't want me to go over there because they know say you go give we chance if we get independence. We must stand up strong until we get independence. But now people they learn this one. Now they go spoil the struggle. As I be tell una, the rango go arrange to go meet Maurice Kamto. For wait till una year, my player more una year.
Don't want to say this, okay? When we made the arrangement to come here, it was on the agreement that I will arrive like this.
There was miscommunication.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Okay.
I will give you people one opportunity.
Okay.
Maurice Kamto, I know you don't have time. Maurice Kamto is going to the US. Chris Anu has an invitation for him to attend.
So Maurice Kamto they go for America. Their own said the one make Chris Anu go interview Maurice Kamto because their own struggle now for recognition, for be relevant, for can give Maurice Kamto platform, for allow Maurice Kamto me can talk for Ambazonia people them about their La République du Cameroun agenda. Now the relevance that for Chris Anu. Now he agent and he facilitator and that. They come with the make arrangement for come meet Maurice Kamto. When I go meet Maurice Kamto for Becky Wetty. When I go back now for Maurice Kamto, you know why even stand officially like a president. We now go bring it because now on agenda that now on rule that for can ruin Ambazonia for go make concession with the French government. Now on don't compromise the struggle now because this is concerned a compromised person. That and that una listen.
To come to him and do a one-on-one interview. You give him that invitation, he goes there, I'll send all my questions to him. I'm not going to talk to him here.
So they can advocate for Chris Anu for interview Maurice Kamto. We fight now for independence. We fight for independence. We fight now for interview Maurice Kamto. Hey, they were wrong to interview this one. They were wrong to this one. Because now their main objective that. Now their main objective that for gain relevance. They do things that not be about Ambazonia. Now about them for gain relevance. So
the people here have my contact. We want. Yes, you'll be.
When I see the other guy will come today.
I'm of the opinion that no, Mr. Epamwe, listen to me, please. This is not coming from Professor Maurice Kamto that I know. I'm a leader. Everyone is a leader in our.
So the other Ambazonia there for them say, you to be leader. Everyone in Ambazonia na leader. All we na 8 million leaders. All we go for negotiation. All we go for fight. All we get group for ground zero. All we na activists. All we na all man. All man na all man. Ooh, Amba Zamzam. As I don't talk, no be say the international system dey work. You need people with portfolios to talk about countries. No be any kind of man you go talk. You need leadership. We don't show research upon research where it shows that we need a single leader for stand for talk for we. All man need for come around that leader. All man, we need one leader. Whether we like it or not, we need one leader. Me stand begin talk for we. One person at a time. Now one captain, the captain the ship. All other man need for being an assistant. We need for assess that process. We not say all una fit be leader as you talk say all man fit be leader. Yes, but now one person at a time. You look the one person will be competent. Right now, Ayabacho be the most competent person for articulate, prosecute our struggle, for bring the roadmap where if he deliver. We must put one person me talk on our behalf. Then any other person will assist the person and not go misrepresent itself like a leader. Because when you go talk for they say you be leader, you represent Ambazonia. You know get portfolio. You don't get any people that are back. You don't get an institution where you consult with. You don't get a law firm. You don't get all those research things. That you don't know where to wait. The leader that don't go first talk for day or they don't go right for day, but you don't go represent Ambazonia. When they go disgrace we. Do a national disgrace. If people they don't call we for back. Now when they go make and when they go fight, say when call me, when one result for go Switzerland, when one result for go Kenya, now na result for go Kenya. The next one a result for go for inside the one way they for America day. All man want go talk on behalf of Ambazonia. Now on a right, but we not go be effective. We not go be effective. We need as just like I talk say for concerning defense, we need the international law, humanitarian law requires say any fighter, he must get or any man who carry gun during war, he must get an organization, a political agenda where they assume responsibility for their action. Where they monitor their code of conduct, where tomorrow they feel catchy, talk say now you be responsible. So those of una the council want represent groups them. Make una know the responsibility and una see whether una be competent enough for take them. If una not be competent, una let me put it and be competent, me the handle up. If una want go over there, so una don't go stand for Siam, let Johnny can see. Una go be Johnny can see. But una no go talk so una the one represent all Ambazonia. Una don't ask now who, una don't consult with who. Una know the ramification, una don't calculate what una do for day. So we need to wise up with this type of things them. Not be only that. Maurice Kamto
we don't have status.
We say Maurice Kamto don't come up for day. He don't go for New Orleans. For inside America for day. He go for day. Ma put the video. Me gonna see now this Maurice Kamto. He don't go for America. When I see na houses so then they for inside. When I hear the video, when I go here go Google talk to go talk English for day. When I go feel say Maurice Kamto dey for America na for inside La Republicans their house. No, he dey so na inside Ambazonia house. Now for Dr. John Fobanjong had the recorder name again. Now for Hazard Fobanjong. Now for Dr. John, when I remember this Dr. John, now the doctor where now they be help Seseko, he be involved. The first time we know he. Now for that interview, the way they be talk about that Lower City Council where they be recognized Ambazonian right of self-determination. Now he don't bring Maurice Kamto, they can't chop so for he has for in town. Now they arrange for raise fund together with Maurice Kamto. Now the people in this way they be down conjure Seseko, bring up for inside their skin. Now they be work for Seseko a brain like Ambazonia the way they fight for independence. But we inside they work now for political agenda them for can dwarf our possibility for we for gain independence. Now then that now they be casted they want give you recognition for inside Lower City. Dr. John Fobanjong. Now that for day. Now then that. Now they be bring we all those bling blings them for America. So we need to be very careful. We need to shine our eyes. Say these people the way they go partake with La République du Cameroun, Maurice Kamto, their agenda no be Ambazonian independence. For people they don't sacrifice their blood, precious blood. They don't sacrifice their education, their ghost town, their businesses for nothing other than independence. Any man who is seek for represent them must represent that view of independence. Otherwise, you don't get nothing to do inside our struggle. Now the people in this way they work within our struggle for make sure say me them suppress and even get to the extent where they will put people for prison. Set up where they make them catch and go to a prison. Send people that make them key generals them so that me will not strong enough for fit gateway to one time because they want get their own political solution the way they are already pre-arranged. So now that. Now the people that in this way Seseko be the count on. I don't feel sorry enough for you because if you come with good heart, the welcome all man. Now the Maurice come to that. So my country people, we don't see the position. I will talk about the Maurice Kamto because for me now the enemy, now the colonizers, it represent the French government when they colonize us. Maurice Kamto, he position and say, "Move go back." If the first time I say me then go for decolonization. Now they don't come for decentralization. Now it don't come now for the one go back for the Switzerland and the French. Their position where almost one being and I say me then go for the 2-state federation. Not be really 2-state, but 10-state federation. But they want start with something first before they go to the other. But the United States, their position be been as say me go back for the 1961 position where the Southern Cameroon state idea, the La République their state idea will get our own constitution, we get our own police force. Now America their position that. So now the middle point that between the two groups, them America versus the French and Swiss their position. But we as Ambazonia, for exercise our self-determination, we need to fight for make sure say now our voice and our people then go decide their future. We need to fight with all our power, with all it will get them for attain independence because it be possible. So long as people then they will then be willing for meet up La République du Cameroun, for engage with them on the basis of something less. Now the longer it go take for we for reach for that point. When La République du Cameroun go see say no man no be willing again for can stand begin the talk or any man way talk we need to listen for ye. Then they go face we head on for discuss we about our right of self-determination. But so long as they have people like Sako, Chris Anu, Dr. John Fobanjong, Success in Congo, Nambere, where they be willing to talk with them, say me then surrender. So long as they get all those things them, it give them a semblance of legitimacy and hope for continue to kill us. So country people, I go for close arm, I go talk again with you, I talk concerning defense, the international system, the international requirement for we to be attractive for any intervention for our case where nothing will need to be ready now. Now say me will close ranks, make all the defense forces them align themselves with the leadership, with the political structure. We need that so big badly. And today, like last time, I endorse the ADF because General Mba Ivor it talks in that the ADF go lead we, and around CC in my own assessment, the ADF get that structure, it get that capability for structure us and project that attractiveness for we for be recognized. So I go advise all groups for align themselves with the ADF. If the interim government, go stand for declare own military wing, your own military general and representative, so that if they align themselves properly, then the only option is the ADF. Align yourself with the ADF and you'll be covered by the political leadership of the AGOF-C. And hopefully, the right way to unite the forces will be that the political leadership who are supposed to take responsibility over the military actions of the military wings, they are the ones who are supposed to be responsible to initiate that unity, which is going to trigger down to the military force. Because you cannot say that let the force unite first and then the leadership abroad will unite. No, it cannot be that way. It will be upside down. Because the political leadership, if you say the force will unite, AGC, for example, the ADF should unite with SOCADEF, and who is going to take responsible for their action politically? Who are they going to empower? You still have that conflict. If they have to collect money, how is that money going to be distributed with strategical consideration? It cannot work. You must have political unity first. Then you can have unity with those groups. So long as you don't have that political unity, all I can recommend is that the groups have to collaborate. Effective collaboration. Get into a memorandum of understanding so that your action will not be a random action that will be undermining recognition effort, but it's going to be part of a political movement towards Ambazonian independence. The ambiguity have been given the international partners and the international system a reason to look the other way. So we should not give them any reason. We should be more effective and make sure that our people attain their independence within the short possible time. So God bless you. May our revolution be short. May our independence and democracy, civil liberty be in Ambazonia forever. My name is Capo Daniel, your sense past King Lukong, your Ambazonian FBI. God bless you now, and may we continue for whole ground zero. We'll celebrate the victory of Rangetam today for another day. We hope, pray for our boy and say these 2 more days, then wait there for lockdown. May them be effective. They will go for operation and now for intercept those people that they can stage that fraudulent election. So may we pray for the media mission that may be accomplished. God bless you now.